Hey, today I want to show you guys this magnetic levitation distributor made by IKAPE, and let's go ahead and unbox this and see it in action later on. When you open the box, you simply read it with a user manual. Super elaborate, very helpful, and underneath, very well packaged levitation device. Simply it's a gravity distributor. However, they call it levitation device because it spins really fast. It's very nice. And nothing else in the box. Let's go ahead and put it away. Let's get this. So the bottom of it is stainless steel, and it has multi-angles underneath. It just sits like this. So let's go ahead and put this on a portafilter. You just have a bottomless portafilter right here. Then you place it on. There are no magnets or anything underneath. It just sits, and then you spin it like so. And while it's doing it, it distributes coffee, as you see. IKAPE designed a whole series of coffee tools, and this particular one is 58.35 millimeter. If you're subscribing to my channel, you'll know I recently unboxed and reviewed another one of these tools from this series. It was the force tamper. So what it is they either sell these individually. This particular one comes in 4 different sizes. They basically put it down as V6 51 millimeter, V6 53.3 millimeter for those Breville machines. This particular one is V6 58.35 millimeter, and then they have a 53 millimeter for other type of baskets. You can also buy this as a set. Again, you can buy this as an individual item as well as the tamper. Let's go ahead and open this one. And here's the Impact Force Tamper. They call it actually Feedback Tamper V6 Impact Tamper. Very futuristic, comes with chevrons. Bottom is 58.35 millimeter again. You put them side by side. They both have beautiful IKAPE logo, chevrons again, and this one has that force tamper style tamping, and it's ripple base, and the top part again, I showed this before, but it's removable. Comes with a harder spring and softer spring in the box, which is very cool. All right, actually this goes bottom like this. This goes on top of it. Super easy. So you can find both of these in the description of this video. I will go ahead and put them as an individual item, also as a kit. So if you buy this as a kit, it's a little bit cheaper than if you buy them individually. Let's go ahead and weigh this distributor. All right, I'm gonna turn it on. As it is, it weighs 578 grams. Very well built. Solid metal. There are no plastic parts on it. And again, it's called Magnetic Levitation Distributor. I think IKAPE is coming up with really nice, interesting coffee tools. Keep an eye on the channel to see other tools they're coming up with. But as it is right now, we have two examples of their tools. I'm gonna have the link underneath of this video for all of this. So if you're interested, you're more than welcome to purchase through those links. This way you'll be supporting my channel so I can come up with many more videos like this. So thank you. And if you like this content, please like and share. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel for many more videos like this. Thanks for watching Teo's Take. I'll see you on the next one. Happy brewing.